Hey everyone, we have some fantastic news for all of you remote workers out there. Our brand new work from home offer has just been launched and it's perfect for you. That's right, you no longer need to sacrifice your work-life balance by being physically at your desk. With our new virtual work from home option, you can now complete all of your tasks and projects from the comfort of your own home. We understand that being at home can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming. So we've put together a few handy tips and tricks to help you make the most of your new virtual office. Firstly, make sure you have a dedicated workspace. This will help you to mentally separate your professional from your personal life, and you'll be more likely to stay focused. Next, establish a routine. By sticking to a daily schedule, you'll be more productive and less likely to procrastinate. Don't forget to include some downtime for relaxation and leisure activities. Make the most of your communication tools. Whether it's through email, instant messaging, or video conferencing, make sure you're staying connected with your team and clients. Lastly, don't forget to take care of yourself. Make sure you're eating healthy, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly. A well-balanced lifestyle is crucial for your overall well-being and productivity. So, if you're ready to experience the benefits of working from home, give our new virtual work from home offer a try. Sign up today and unlock a world of flexibility and convenience. Don't let the office walls hold you back.